This is Gina with Stars Touch Heartfelt Healing, sending Reiki energy with nature to help relieve pain. Please take a couple deep breaths. You are walking through a forest. As you walk along, the energy of the earth is flowing up through the bottoms of your feet. Up ahead, you see trees, grass, flowers, and you merge with the life, the peace, and the harmony of the forest. As you walk along, you come to a path to the left, and you're compelled to follow this path. You come to a river. It's no ordinary river, it's the river of life. You see plants and flowers along the riverbed, and you notice a path, and you're compelled to follow this path. The sound of the water with the shimmering, glimmering light shining on it is so peaceful and relaxing. Taking notice of the pain anywhere in your body and realizing that it is floating down the river. Feeling this relief and this peaceful, relaxing feeling. The light that's shining down is from the highest heaven, shining down into your pain, releasing it and letting it go. You come to a waterfall with the glistening light and find a nice place to sit down and relax. Listening to the water running is so beautiful, and it's helping you to release and let go. It's starting to get later, and you decide to go ahead and walk back down the river path, feeling so much better. It's a snowy path, noticing the glistening of the moonlight leading you back. Hearing the river in the distance, You're almost back home. Feeling the gratitude of the nature and the beauty and the relief. You're able to make it back and lie down, feeling the energy coming down through the crown, in through your eyes, relaxing your neck to your shoulders, relaxing your chest and your abdomen, feeling the energy going through the thighs, down in through your legs, into the ankles and your feet, grounding you to the earth, peacefully relaxing off to sleep.